In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a list of contacts from ActiveCampaign to a Google spreadsheet. We'll walk through the process step by step using a simple manual export and import method. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your contacts out of ActiveCampaign and into Google Sheets, where you can filter, analyze, or share them with your team. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the main navigation menu, click on Contacts. Under Contacts, select Lists. This is where all of your contact lists are stored. From here, choose the specific list you want to export. Take a second to make sure you've selected the correct list, especially if you manage multiple audiences, because everything in this list is what will be exported. Once you're inside that list view, look for the Export button, usually located near the top right area of the page. Go ahead and click Export. A prompt will appear asking you to name the file. Choose a clear, descriptive name like Newsletter Subscribers January or Customer List Q1, so it's easy to recognize later when you're importing it into Google Sheets. Next, you'll be asked to select which fields you want to include in the export. These fields might include things like email address, first name, last name, tags, or any custom fields you've created. Only select the fields you actually need to keep your spreadsheet clean and easier to work with. When you're happy with your selection, click Export to start generating the file. ActiveCampaign will now prepare your export as a CSV file. To download it, go back to the Contacts area, then click on Exports. You'll see a list of recently generated export files. Find the one you just created, and in the Actions column, click Download. This will save the CSV file to your computer, usually in your Downloads folder, unless you've chosen a different location. Now it's time to bring that data into Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets in your browser and start a new blank spreadsheet, or open an existing one if you want to add these contacts to an existing document. At the top left, click on File, then choose Import. In the Import window, select the Upload tab. Drag and drop your downloaded CSV file into this area, or click to browse and select it from your computer. Google Sheets will ask how you want to import the file. In most cases, you'll want to insert it into a new sheet so everything stays organized. Once you confirm, Google Sheets will process the file and display all your ActiveCampaign contacts in a clean table. You've now successfully exported your contacts from ActiveCampaign and imported them into a Google spreadsheet ready for reporting, sharing, or further analysis.